Yo, what's up everyone, it's StuNT here and welcome back for my first build series video. This is gonna be the first time this bike is gonna be into the garage. Bring it down from the lift, and all the pictures and videos has been recorded for the first how it looked initially when I got it. So now it's just time to roll it into my garage. I might need to open up the door a bit more. But yeah, as I said, it's a product bike. If you haven't seen my reveal video, which I recorded like 2 seconds ago, but probably gonna be a week, or it's gonna be the same video, I don't know. But oh shit, this thing rolls really easily. Bro, this thing was so easy to get in. That bike is super hard and my other bike I had was too big, so this is like the perfect bike. I really like this one. And it's not that much higher. Wait, this is tripping me out. That bike, they're like the same height. Wait, that's tripping me out. Whatever. So this is probably one of the last times I've seen this bike with all these fairings, especially with these fairings on, because these fairings are not going on the bike again. Just a heads up on that. All the lights work really well. Wait, it has a horn. There's no indicators on this bike, and that did not come with the bike. Apparently you're allowed to ride without indicators, so I don't know how that goes, but I would like to not have indicators, but it's kind of nice to have it as well. So okay, and also I think there's no spring here, so this thing will just keep falling down. Let's hold it with our arm, and these things right here, I'm never putting these things back on because it's just annoying. Taking off the seat, there you go. I'm really excited for this, to see what this winter has to offer. I need to something to put these things in. Yeah, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to disassemble this broken indicator, and that's way too big of a screwdriver. And there you go. Got this thing which you can put some things into. I mean, just a quick solution for that. I don't know if it's just me, but when the snow finally comes, like when the snow outside, it gets just so vibey, you know what I mean? You can see a bit of the grass and snow everywhere. It's just so vibey with the snow, you know?
Dropped out of school on my first day, and I did that shit twice. And I ain't saying that cause I'm proud of it, I'm saying that cause I turn my dark days to light. Yeah, putting work in, everybody saying that it's working. These days I'm feeling like a new
that is,
person.
look at this thing, bro.
Damn, we on, looking like Dion. Half step into the end zone and beyond. Slick with the bars, got you thinking I'm a phenom. Chillin' on the wave, they said I never could be on. Like, woo, look what we did. Remember way back when I kept this head. People always said I couldn't write no hits.
And this is probably gonna be the way we're gonna see the bike for the next long time. This muffler really needs to go, because the thing is with stock mufflers, first of all, it sounds not good, especially on a Derbi. This does not sound good with stock muffler. And then there's when the two-stroke oil goes out, because when you have the fuel pump, the oil pump and shit, gives the bike too much or too little amount of oil. So this thing is soaked. There's like a thing in here that is soaked with oils. There's always drips oil, and it's annoying. It's too much, and that's the reason why you want to get this aftermarket muffler. You get better sound, and you don't have to worry about two-stroke oil getting everywhere. So we're gonna put this thing in here. I think it's gonna be the best thing to do. And now we only need to use the Allen keys, and we should be able to get this exhaust off and start working on it, because this thing is speed up, dude. Oh my god, can you see this? Look at that sunset, bro. Yo, I don't even know if you guys can see that, but it's a beautiful sunset. We got the ice, we got the snow. Last time I've seen this muffler, or maybe, I'm not exactly too sure, but probably gonna be one of the last times we see this muffler on this bike. It's been a minute since I was working with a stock muffler, and the sunset is even more beautiful. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Holy shit, this is gonna be full of oil if you're gonna do like this. By time, it's gonna be so much oil coming out of this. But the sunset is absolutely beautiful. I love it. And it's not that cold outside, it's just a couple degrees minus. I stripped the bike down, and today I'm gonna do the last stripping to get the engine clear so I can take out the engine. I took off the exhaust and all the plastics. So now I'm gonna take off the fuel tank, the oil tank, and we empty the engine out of oil, the gearbox oil and the coolant. So that's what we're gonna do today. If you're taking this thing off, that thing that sits here, you know, make an arrow that points upwards, because it's kind of like hard if you don't know where, if it's gonna be like this, or I mean, kind of right now it looks obvious, but like always make an arrow and things, just in case you need to, like, you don't know which way it's gonna fit. It kind of helps out sometimes. I want to try to do a cool build series. The first episodes, like, it's gonna be stripping down the bike and stuff, but then the fun things are gonna happen when we like start doing the build. This thing is full with fuel, and then we're gonna empty this tank out because my dad wanted the fuel so he could put it in his lawn mover. So because this is straight up fuel, there's no two-stroke mixture. So yeah, I'm gonna put it into here. Let's open up the door to get some ventilation. Ah, fresh air. 3.5 liters, which is really good. Try to make this interesting for you guys. I think the more later episodes can be more interesting, but I'm trying my best to, you know, make it as interesting as possible. Oh, there you go. Now it's just gonna be easy because I think I can just grab here and pull. Okay, try not to spill out the oil. If there's any oil in here, there's definitely oil in here. How am I going to do this? I think I'm gonna. Oh, there's a hole in this bucket, bro. Oh my god, bro. Happy I was sitting right there. Some paper, and we're gonna stuff it into this little hole right here. And now I'm just gonna clean this engine up, and then I should be good. But first I'm just put back one more bolt. There you go. It's like at least stuck in there. It's nothing I would ride on, but it's enough. And now it's just try to clean it like a basic clean, because then I'm gonna paint it to make it look extra sick.
Sadly, all the footage beyond this point was unusable. Simply what we did was we split the engine in half, and here's a clip on how the crank looked, and I think it speaks for itself. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and leaving some feedback in the comment section down below, it will be highly appreciated. But until next time, stay awesome, be positive. It's been your boy StuNT, and I'm out. Peace!